Hello again everyone, hopefully I don't make any bloopers this time. So as I stated in my previous video, we're going to be making banana oats muffins, and best of all they are sugar free, and we're going to make them for National Muffin Day today. I actually want to include them in my upcoming children's story called Shenanigans with Nana. It's a beautiful story of grandchildren and their Nana having lots of fun adventures, and baking is one of them. So let's get, it's not ready for publishing yet, it just is in the editing stage at the moment, and it will be ready later this year. So we have to mash up 2 very ripe bananas. They must have the speckled skin, just like this, because it adds to the flavor, because they are quite a lot sweeter or less bitter than green or non-ripe bananas. So we're quickly just going to mash, and it makes them so much easier to mash as well. So we'll just quickly mash up those 2 very soft bananas. Now I'm being very unconventional. If you know me well, you'll know that I do nothing the normal way. So my mixing bowl is actually going to be the yogurt tub, because my yogurt's nearly finished. So to get the maximum amount out of it, I'm just going to use this as the mixing bowl. You can see it's way down at the bottom. You only need 3 dessert spoons, 3 of those for the yogurt, so this will be plenty. So we'll scoop the banana, the mashed banana in there and give it a mix, and then we'll add the oats, I think now, before the tub does get too full. There we go, mashed bananas in with the, sorry about the noise, in with the yogurt. And now this is 2 cups of, whoops, there goes my phone, my video, sorry. There is a blooper. It's not my video unless there's a blooper, right? So 2 cups of dry oats I've already measured into the yogurt tub. I think I might do this with a spoon initially. It is quite full and the yogurt tub's quite narrow. Let's move that out the way. So that was 2 cups of dry yogurt. I have made this recipe before, and I would never include recipes in my children's book that aren't worth baking. I do openly admit that some of the recipes on my YouTube aren't fantastic. That's because I bake them, instead of baking them twice, I kind of bake them for the first time on video. But this one is a redo. If you look back in my Instagram grid, you'll see that I have made these before. They are divine. I can vouch for them. They are soft and chewy, and like I say, no sugar, so they really do make a great snack or even a breakfast. You know, it's quite similar to an overnight oats recipe. If you wanted to have these warmed up in the microwave, just 2 of them for your breakfast instead of overnight oats, I think I can possibly, let's see if we're going for a 3rd blooper. I think I might need to stir the yogurt tub, getting a little bit full. There, you can see it's quite full. Just going to stir that up. Luckily there aren't any more bulky ingredients. From here on it's just the milk, the vanilla essence, and the sugar-free peanut butter that I tried to tap the screen of when I was showing you that it's sugar-free. I might be able to show you that now. Okay. Actually, I think I'm going to add the 3/4 cup of milk. Now, it says almond milk, but I'm pretty sure you can add any milk that you prefer, 3/4 cup. Okay. I haven't made this video sort of in child speak. Usually I address the boys and girls who are baking with us, but let's face it, it's the parents who really do all the baking. The children can assist, which is a great thing. I'm just going to do half and half for now so that I can mix up the rest of the oats without a calamity. All right, so yeah, that's looking way better. Now I can add the rest of the oats. In it goes. Oh, I spilled 3 grains. That's not bad. There we go. Okay. And then the last of the milk, that was a 3/4 cup of milk of your choice. The recipe does say almond milk, and I do love almond milk. So, not to drink, I only like it for oats, to be quite honest. Okie dokie. That's the almond milk in there. I'll try and show you. It just looks like normal oats porridge that you would be cooking on the stove, only you're going to be baking it in the oven. Okie dokie. So then we're going to have a 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Oh, got a bit of oats on my hand there. 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I would go with about that. I don't know. Okay, we mix it in. There we go. It's really a simple recipe and really, really worthwhile. Did I fridge or freeze the previous batch? I think I froze the previous batch and just took a couple out each time I wanted a snack or for my brekkie. I actually did have them for breakfast. And then it's 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Okay, there we go. Stir that up. And I think, oh, the peanut butter, the all-important sugar-free peanut butter. Let me see if I can, I mean, that's the trick to making it sugar-free, right? Is that you use sugar-free ingredients. So I just need my glasses so I can show you nice and clearly. This is just an Aldi brand, so it's not an expensive brand, but there you can see less than 1 gram of sugar. So that's why I love this recipe, and it's just 1 spoon, a normal dessert spoon of peanut butter. If you have nut allergies, you won't use almond milk or peanut butter. You can actually use applesauce. That's in the original recipe. I, however, love peanut butter, and I don't have applesauce, so it made sense for me to make the recipe according to my taste. So it's quite a soft dough. It's not a firm dough at all. Just make sure all the ingredients are mixed up. And then I already have my muffin pan ready for spray and cook. It only makes 6, so you can see I've only sprayed the 6 muffin indents, or whatever they're called. What is the proper name? If you know it, let me know. And then they bake for 20 minutes. I did bake mine for 20 minutes last time because I like them doughy. And what else did I want? At 180, is that what I said? Yes. So the original recipe also says you can either add chopped chips or sultanas or raisins. I haven't added anything, and I didn't add anything in the first recipe either. I mean, I have dates I could have chopped up, and they will add to the sweetness as well, but you truly don't need it. Honestly, I can really vouch for these muffins. I will definitely have them made on repeat in my house. They are that good. So if you're coming to visit any of my friends, you know what you'll be getting for a snack or for breakfast, right? Banana, oats, sugar-free muffins. I didn't even have mine with honey or anything to sweeten them when I warmed them up in the microwave when I made the dough previously. I am filling these up rather a lot. I don't remember so much dough last time. But, oh well, there you go. They're going to be big muffins. I might only have to have 1 at a time instead of 2 at a time for brekkie in the future. And there we go. That's just about all of the dough out. This one over there looks a bit bigger than this one. Right, so into the oven they go at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Fingers crossed they come out beautifully like they did last time, and I'll show you a photo of them once they're finished baking. Thanks for joining me. And let me know, by the way, if you do add anything else in your muffins, like chopped chips or sultanas or anything else. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.